It is time for the last beach adventure in Cyprus on my 2-week vacation. Actually, day 15, the last day of my Christmas and New Year's vacation. And 22 degrees Celsius in the air right now. It's exactly 12:00. And I have only 4 hours left for my flight back to the winter wonderland of Sweden, to Stockholm. My flight is at 4:10 p.m. but I'm actually very close to the airport. It's only 4 kilometers away from here. The departure hall, actually the runway, it's maybe less than 2 kilometers because there were some flights landing here and I could have seen them very close. So let's see some of them, some new flights coming now while I film this last beach adventure. So 4th of January is today, as I mentioned, 22 degrees Celsius in the air and around 19.6 in the water based on seatemperature.org website. And this beach is actually, it's a bit more lively compared to Finikoudes and to Kastella that I visited earlier today, because there are nice bars here and people are having their afternoon coffee. It is though a Thursday, but still people are still in the holiday season and the sea looks very much inviting, and I can see that it is shallow at the beginning like all the other beaches in Larnaca. So this is the third beach I visited today in Larnaca and the last one. There are not so many other beaches though. Those 3 that I visited today are the main ones. So Finikoudes in the center, then Kastella 500 meters away from this place, and this one Mackenzie, where it is right next to the Larnaca International Airport. So let's make the most out of the last beach adventure for today, and it's gonna be a blast for sure. But yeah, the wind is on its way, but oh, there comes an airplane. I told you that we're gonna be lucky to see the airplane from close, very close a look. So there's the airport, I mean the landing piste, and here we have a bit smaller airport. This is with propellers, I can see. There were 2 bigger ones earlier, and this one seems a bit distant, but it's less than 1 kilometer from me actually. Maybe, yes, it's 1 kilometer away. I'm not completely mistaken. So yeah, let's see if some more bigger airplane comes in. But yeah, I can't believe it's time for the very last beach adventure from Cyprus. I had around 50 beach adventures throughout my 15 days here. Almost the same amount as my summer vacation here, but that was only for 1 week there, 7 days. But then I explored so much during those days. Now I wanted also to rest a bit, and I also worked during some days as well. And yeah, it has been a blast. 22 degrees in January, it's a blessing for sure. And the beach here also, it looks super nice. And indeed, look at that. Look at that. This is Mackenzie Beach, Larnaca. Brilliant. You can see also not just Larnaca from here, but also all the way to Finikoudes, even Ayia Napa in the distance on this coast. Alright, I think then it's time to use the rest of my time here swimming in the Mediterranean Sea. So let's go! Woohoo! It's amazing! It's brilliant. I can't believe I am doing these adventures on 4th of January here at Mackenzie Beach. So yeah, I'm gonna chill a bit more for 1 hour now on this beach and swim before I head to the airport. That's 4 kilometers away from here. I'm gonna walk actually, because I have time. But that's a wrap then from Mackenzie Beach, from Larnaca, but also from Cyprus and my 15-day vacation during the Christmas and New Year's holidays. Thanks a lot for watching this episode, and I will see you very soon again with another fantastic location on the Mediterranean Sea. So watch out for that. It's coming in around 3 weeks time. Until then, there will be episodes coming in from Cyprus and the rest of the world on my channel that is called Beach Adventures with Chris.